guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I install my curl formers and the results. So let's get started. So I separate my hair into two halves, and on this side I'm going to divide it into three sections. The top is 1, this one is 2, and the bottom is 3. I'm using some Design Essentials leave-in conditioner, just a dime size amount for the bottom section. I brushed that through to work it in. So I'm using the Motions foam styling lotion. From my experience, a mousse helps to form a better curl in your hair versus a typical setting lotion. I'm using the Curlformers extra long and extra wide set. So here I'm just putting the hook through the Curlformer and I'm wrapping the hook around a small section of my hair. I'm pushing the Curlformer on top of the hook, and then I pull the hook through, and then the Curlformer just pops up. So I'll do it again. I take the hook and I wrap it around a small section of my hair. I push that Curlformer over the hook, and then I just pull it through. Then it pops up. It's nice and simple. I actually prefer installing these over the roller set because they're quicker to install, and believe it or not, your arms don't get as tired. I'm using pretty small sections here, but feel free to use larger sections. I think it would be about the same results. It probably would just take a little bit longer to dry. So here's a view up close. I put that hook around a small section of hair. I push the Curlformer over top of that hook. I secure the roots, and then I pull the rod through the hair, and then it snaps back. Side note, some folks like to twist the roots before they put the hook around the hair. I don't do it. I don't see a need, so I like the way it turns out without twisting the roots. So the yellow Curlformers curl in a different direction than the pink ones. So you can place them according to the way you want your curl to fall. I don't particularly care, but for the video I tried to put yellows on the left and pinks on the right. So when I finished, I sat under the hair dryer for about 45 minutes, and so now I'm just taking them out. And so the way you take them out, you squeeze the top. See right there, you squeeze the top and you straighten out the Curlformer, and then you gently just pull the Curlformer off of your hair, and you'll see a nice curl. So as you're removing these, make sure you squeeze the top of the Curlformer, and then you just gently pull it off. Just about finished removing all the Curlformers. I probably could have sat under the hair dryer for another 15 minutes, but it was late and I was ready for bed. So I went ahead and sprayed my hair with some Design Essentials oil sheen to make sure I kept the shine. So these are the final results. I didn't let it dry all the way, so they started to get just a bit frizzy, but I'm okay with that. I rolled my hair up and the results the next day came out nice. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.